Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a responsive full screen background image using CSS. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Create a template, HTML5. Let's add a div class, background image. Next create a style with background image. Let's add background image URL. Let's add the background file to our project folder. Its name is background.png. Okay, and let's add this address background.png. Let's run the project. We haven't nothing. Let's add the height 200 pixels and width also 200 pixels. Let's check. We have the image, but it is cut. Let's fix it. Let's change height to 100% of viewport height. This means that the image will take up the full height of the screen area. Open it and we see the full screen image, but it is problem that it is repeated and it has the margin. Let's fix it. Add background repeat, no repeat. Open and we have only the one image, but we have white space on the screen. Let's fix it. Background size is cover. Open and we have the full screen image with margin. Let's delete the margin. Add margin is 0. Open and we haven't margin. It's good. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.